Hi everyone, this is Tina. I have a small Dollar General haul. It's Essentials haul. So let's get started. I got 3 big bottles of the Palmolive Ultra Strength. They were buy 2, get 1. And these are 32 ounces. So good sized bottles. I got 2 bottles of all detergent. And they were buy 2 for $8, and there was a $4 digital coupon. So that was a good buy as well. I also had $1 off the Gain fabric softener. I'm trying to get off of drinking so much diet soda, so I got some of the Sunkissed strawberry water singles, and I wanted to try the cherry RC. I thought that'd be different, so I'm excited to try that. I got 2 packs of the Smithfield fully cooked bacon. That is $2.75 a box. I got a jar of Manwich Bold because we cannot find it at Walmart. I got some garlic salt and garlic powder, and that's Bandit playing with the squeaky toy. And of course, Bandit needed some essentials too, so we got him some of his hot dog minis from the Canine Carryouts. So that is my small haul, and I will show you my receipt. Here's my receipt. My total was $21.21. I saved $13, and I forgot to tell you that on Saturdays, most Saturdays, they have $5 coupons to use as well if you spend over $25 pre-tax. So I always try to go on Saturdays. I always try to go for my digital coupons to save the most coin that I can, because definitely nowadays you need to save coin. So that is my small haul. Thanks again for joining me, and I will talk to you very soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.